Give us this day our daily bread. And today's daily bread comes from Isaiah chapter 66, verse 13. I will comfort you there in Jerusalem as a mother comforts her child. Hello, I'm V, and welcome to the channel. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. And for my friends navigating this day without a mother, for whatever reason, you have a Father in heaven who sees you and loves you. Let the Father be your comfort today. He will never leave you or forsake you. I don't have a fancy kitchen, and I don't use extravagant ingredients. I don't even have an expensive camera that'll show you a commercial-like production of the food that I make. I'm just a mom, teacher, and friend, serving you meal ideas that won't break the budget, that your entire family can enjoy. Today, we're making meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this meal. I will link them in the description box below. We'll start with breaking our ground beef down in a large bowl. I'm using about 2 pounds here. To make our loaf, we'll add a small chopped onion, green bell pepper, one pack of crushed crackers. You can also use bread to substitute for the crackers, and 2 large eggs. Do you prefer crackers or bread when making your meatloaf? Let me know in the comments. We're going to season our meatloaf with some seasonal, black pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, a dash of soy sauce, and yes, about a half a cup of milk. Get those gloves on, because this can get messy. Fold those ingredients in well. In a lightly greased loaf pan, shape your meatloaf to fit. Put that in the oven at 400 degrees and bake for about an hour to an hour and a half. Now let's move on to our mashed potatoes. Here are the ingredients we'll need. After washing and peeling your potatoes, it's time to cut them up. Cut your potatoes into small cubes. Now they don't have to be perfect, but you do want to cut them fairly even in size so that they'll cook evenly. Add salt to a pot of water on medium-high heat. You can wait till the water comes to a boil and add your potatoes, or you can add the potatoes while the water's cold. Let those boil until soft and then drain. Use your handy-dandy potato masher to smash the potatoes. Add heavy cream as needed to get the consistency you like. I also like to add a little milk to mine as well. think I'll do a garlic mashed potato today. Fold the garlic and pepper in well and then add a little butter, because you know butter makes everything taste better. Don't forget the chives. Now that my meatloaf is done, I'm using Hunt's meatloaf sauce over the top. And y'all, this meatloaf sauce is so good. Pop her back into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, this is the finished product. Add some steamed broccoli on the side and you've got yourself a delicious comfort meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.